Welcome to the Black Contractors Network podcast, where we'll be discussing hot topics around construction, being a general contractor, how to get started, and everything in between. Your host has over 20 years plus of construction experience. Here he is, Richard W. Johnson.
Made in the U.S. of A.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Black Contractors Network. Today we will be talking about how to start your own small business. It is a dream that many people have, but there is a lot of work that goes into it. One of the most important things is to find out what you want to do and then figure out if there is a market for it. There are many different ways that you can go about this, such as using Google Trends or other tools like that. Another thing that you need to think about when starting up your own business is finding an investor or someone who can help fund it so you don't have so much stress on yourself financially while still trying to build everything up from scratch. This can also help make sure that everything goes smoothly, because sometimes having too many cooks in the kitchen isn't always good either. Come up with a winning idea. Have you ever thought about starting your own business? It's a scary time, but also an exciting one. And there's nothing quite like the feeling of being your own boss. To help get you started, take a look at these 5 tips. Don't be afraid to fail. Starting your own business is hard work and it will take some time to get the hang of things. Many first-time entrepreneurs make mistakes along the way that can result in failure. So don't expect perfection right off the bat. The important thing is learning from those failures so you don't repeat them when starting another company or trying something else entirely new again later on. And there are plenty of other opportunities out there. There are no guarantees even if everything goes well. This means risking having everything fall apart at any moment, but also enjoying some really great successes too. So it's worth keeping both sides of things in mind before making any moves towards entrepreneurship. Don't be afraid to think big. Most people start small when they're thinking about launching their own companies because they don't have much money or experience yet, but it can pay off down the line if an entrepreneur takes some risks early on by investing more capital into their businesses than others might normally do for themselves today. Even just $1,000 invested today could turn into millions tomorrow. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work over many years before seeing results. Keep this perspective as motivation during tough times ahead, because nothing worthwhile comes easy. Research your market. Market research is an invaluable component of starting a small business and can set you on the right path for success. By learning more about your industry and customers, you can understand competitors' strategies and in turn, create your own effective strategy. As you begin conducting your market research, keep these points in mind. Why is market research important? Market research helps businesses better understand their target audience's needs and preferences. This information can be used to create products that satisfy these specific needs. It also helps entrepreneurs identify unmet needs that they might be able to fill with a new product or service. For example, if a marketer finds through market research that consumers are dissatisfied with frozen pizza options at the grocery store, he or she might choose to launch a line of high-quality frozen pizzas. What is involved in researching the market? There are many ways to gather information about potential customers, including focus groups and surveys. Focus groups require participants come into a room and answer questions. However, surveys can be conducted online and take less time from respondents than focus groups do. Researching what other companies are doing is often helpful as well. Learn from their successes. The marketer should also know what sets his or her company apart from competitors. Try asking yourself questions like, what's unique about my product? Or why would I buy this over another brand? These questions will help you find your own unique selling points. Write out a business play. First,